Alright, I'm going to show you how to do some keywording in your Lightroom catalog. I have a few photos that I've imported in here. You'll notice there's no keywords attached. So if we want to do bulk keywording at the same time, we can select multiple photos by clicking on one, holding the shift key, and then clicking the one in the row that you want. If you need individual ones on a PC, you would click Control and then add them individually or off-click them. Here you can see all three of these are sunsets. So we can put in sunset, and then we can also put in tourism, adventure, travel, since all of that applies to all three. And then if you want to add keywords to an individual one, such as this one, you can just click on it and then add Rome, skyline, and then hit enter, and that's going to add that to that particular image. If you have a photo, for instance, say we have this one, and this is a texture, surface, background, it has copyscape, it's peeling, and we want to take this one and we want to apply that same keywords to, say, this one and this one, which are also peeling, and let's see if I have any other ones like in these. So for instance, if we want to apply those keywords that I had before, you'll see this little asterisk appears, and that means that some of the photos have that keyword and some don't. Obviously we know the first one, which we just typed in, has that keyword, and these other 5 that I just clicked don't. So you would click Sync Metadata. Your metadata screen comes up, and anything that's checked on the side here is what it's saying it's going to sync. So right now it's selecting my basic info, the copyright data, my creator data, and then if we come all the way down to the bottom, it's going to say keywords, and notice keywords right now is checked. So these keywords that I have in here, which I've typed over there, are going to sync to these other 5. So we just click sync, it runs it, and now if I click on this individual one, notice those keywords have populated into this photo, and then I can go in here and I can add like green, cement, which applies to that photo. So that's a quick way to do it all at once at the same time. You can do them individually, of course. And then you'll notice as I type, if I've used the word before, it starts to appear. So for instance, if I've typed clouds, notice the D and the S are in blue. It means I can just hit enter and it's going to continue that word for me. So Lightroom is learning your words as you use them. So like for instance, tourism it already knows, adventure it already knows, travel it already knows. Lifeguard stand I've never used, so it won't know that I want to type in lifeguard stand. But the next time I type it, it will know. And then you can tell that the photo is keyword when it has this little icon on the side. It looks like a little pencil. When you mouse over it, it says photo has keywords. And that's how you'll know. And so if you have any questions, let me know. But that's the simple way to keyword individually, keyword as a group, and also sync your keywords from one photo to others. Good luck!